What's your name?
I found out that I came from wolves. Somehow they were okay with what they did, so I have no choice but to wonder what it might do to me. So I decided that I'm a sheep. I do no harm, I'll keep you
warm. Hey guys, so we went down to Silverton and we had lunch at the Pickle Barrel. Really good sandwiches and stuff like that. And then we headed up, I don't know, one map says Red Mountain Pass. I've heard it called Brooklands. I think I've heard it called something else too, but it's kind of a loop off of 550 up above $1 Million Highway. And the Alpine Loop is just overrun with UTVs and ATVs. We were just looking for a little quieter place to camp, and we've seen a few people up here, but a lot quieter than the Alpine Loop.
Cool stuff.
What'd you see? Is there a better camp spot? Should we move?
No. Because this puffed a lot, it's because there's less air pressure and the altitude up here, we're at least like 11,000 feet up or higher.
Do you think the Cheeto factory is probably lower or higher?
Definitely lower.
So we got this cheap solar kit off of Amazon. I think it's Chinese. It's like a $15 PWM charge controller with a couple of flexible 100-watt panels. We have a dual battery system on the 4Runner with an isolator, so we run the fridge and charge stuff off of the house battery with an isolator while we're in camp, and it's usually fine for one night's use. And if we're going to leave in the morning, we usually don't mess with it, but if we're going to be somewhere for a while, we'll get it out just to keep that house battery charged up. So far it's working pretty good. The charge controller's kind of janky. It just shows the voltage and that it is charging, so you don't really know how many watts that's putting out. But yeah, we just mounted the charge controller in the back. We just kind of roll up the wires and put them where the jack used to go. But with the fridge running and charging camera batteries, drone batteries, Nintendo Switch, phones, headlamps, all that stuff at the same time, it was it was staying on float at about 13 to 13.2 volts. So far it's working pretty good. So tonight for dinner we're gonna have sloppy joes. It's a secret recipe of mine that I prepared ahead of time. It's half a can of HEB sloppy joe mix. So we got double joe,
Frito Joe.
Frito
Or sloppy
joe,
Fritos.
and not so sloppy joe.
Yeah. Neat.
Neat and tidy joe. Well guys, it's about 8:45. The sun's gone down. We've eaten our sloppy joes. I think we're going to do some hot shower pouches in the shower tent and probably call it a night. Good morning. It is Sunday, August 16th. I know the date because it's our 12th anniversary today. So we're going to head down into Ouray and get Mama a real shower and a real bed for a few nights in a VRBO. This spot is just beautiful though. We're at like 11,600 feet. Got down to about 50 degrees last night, so just great tent sleeping. We got up this morning, made coffee, breakfast, and went on a little hike around here. And we're probably going to get packed up and head down into Ouray.